do? Hello again and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be making a little festive treat here. So the ingredients I'm using today, I have these two beautiful vegetables here. I have some organic carrots here and some fresh beetroot. I also have some cinnamon leaves here and salt. And for the sweetener, I am going to be using this dragon stout here, some vanilla extract, some almond extract, some condensed milk, this vanilla flavor nourishment, and I will be adding to my punch as well some overproof white rum, some nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and some vanilla essence. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to boil a liter of water. And I'm going to be adding these cinnamon leaves here and a pinch of salt to that water. While I'm bringing the water to boil, I'm going to slice the beetroot and the carrots into small pieces. And then I will parboil those in the hot boiling water on the very low heat. While my water is boiling, I am going to be slicing the veggies. So I'm going to be slicing the carrots. And you don't have to cut these in such small pieces because they're going to be parboiled anyway and they will become a bit soft once they are parboiled. So that's my veggies all done. I'm going to now wash these and add them to the boiling water. So now that I have my hot water here boiling and my beetroot and carrot is diced, washed and clean, I'm now going to add it to the boiling water here. And once I've added that to the water, I'm going to turn the stove down on very low heat. And I will just leave the veggies to parboil or steam on medium heat for roughly 15 minutes just to get them tenderized. So I'm pouring in my veggies in here. And that's about 1 liter of water. So now that my veggies are all in here, I'm now going to cover the pot and just leave my veggies to steam on medium heat. So we'll be back when we are ready to make the punch and the veggies are cool. So now after about 10 to 15 minutes, my beetroot and carrots are finished parboiling. I am now going to pour it into this container here and allow it to cool. So I'm just now going to put them in here. So that's my beautiful veggies that has been parboiled. I am now just going to put this aside and allow it to cool before I actually blend it all together and make my punch. So I'll just set this aside to cool. So after I have parboiled my beetroot and carrots and they're now cool, I am going to be pouring this into my blender smoothie maker, and I'm going to blend these until they're smooth. So in goes the mixture here. I'm going to blend that just a little at a time. So now that my beetroot and carrot is in the smoothie maker. I'm now going to pulse this first. I'm going to add the rest of the mixture. So now I'm going to quickly pulse and blend this. I'm also now going to add my nourishment to the mixture here. To that I'm going to add the spices, so I'm going to add my vanilla, and that's 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla. I'm going to add my cinnamon powder, and that's 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. And I'm also going to add my nutmeg, and this is 1.5 tablespoons of nutmeg. To this I'm also going to add my condensed milk, and I'm going to add half of this can of condensed milk. And now I am going to blend this again. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt to the mixture here. So here goes some salt. I'm going to blend this again. So now that my punch is almost finished blending, I'm going to add my dragon stout. To that I'm also going to add just a little drop of white rum, maybe about 2 tablespoons thereabout, so just a little drop going in there. I'm also going to add a little drop of almond essence, just 1 drop because it's very strong. And I'm also going to add some vanilla essence. So I'm gonna pour a little more of the stout, dragon stout in there. And now I'm going to cover and blend again. So this is my final blend. So now that I have finished blending my punch, I am going to be pouring it in this pitcher here. So take the covers off. Just give that a little stir. And now I'll pour this in here. So there we have it. My punch is beautifully done, and I'm now going to pour some in this glass here. And there you have it. Perfect treat for your Christmas to enjoy with your family and friends. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. And please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.